A young man named Eli was 20 years old and worked as an apprentice to Master William, the finest watchmaker in the valley. Eli had big dreams, but he was always in a hurry. He tried to build entire watch movements in one sitting. Because he rushed, his hands shook, his tools slipped, and he kept breaking delicate metal parts. One afternoon, Eli accidentally snapped a rare, tiny clock spring. He dropped his tools and covered his face in frustration. "I'll never master this," he whispered. "It takes too long." Master William walked over and sat down. "Eli, if I gave you two choices today, which would you pick?" Choice 1, 10 million gold coins right now. Choice 2, 1 copper coin today, but its value doubles every day for 30 days. Eli didn't hesitate. The 10 million coins today. Why wait 30 days for copper? William smiled. "That is why you keep breaking clock springs." Eli looked confused. "A single copper coin, doubled every day for 30 days, becomes over 500 million coins," William explained. "Real growth doesn't happen in a sudden leap. It happens through compounding. Try to get just 1% better today than you were yesterday." "But Master," Eli argued, 1% is so tiny. It feels useless." William pointed to a massive wall clock ticking nearby. Tick, tock. "Does that clock jump across the dial all at once?" William asked. "No. It moves 1 second at a time. If you force the gears to spin at once, the machine breaks. But steady, tiny ticks move time itself." The next morning, Eli's training changed. For the first week, he wasn't allowed to build watches. He only practiced sitting with steady posture and relaxed shoulders. In the second week, he practiced picking up a single grain of sand with tweezers, over and over, until his hands stopped shaking. By the third week, he placed just 1 tiny gear into a watch frame each day. "Are you better than on day 1? William asked. Eli smiled. "A little bit each day. Just 1%. 6 months later, other apprentices who rushed were burning out and quitting. But Eli worked with calm precision. Every daily effort had compounded. On his own, he built a flawless pocket watch that ran with absolute accuracy. You don't need to fix your entire life today. If you improve by just 1% each day, in 1 year you will be 37 times better than where you started. Stop rushing. Do one small thing 1% better today and let time build your masterpiece.